If you have a house in Hilliard, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we have been buying houses in Hilliard, Ohio and making it extremely easy because we're a true cash buyer and we buy Hilliard houses in their as-is condition. Let me explain what that is. When we're buying your Hilliard house in its as-is condition, that means you don't have to do anything. You don't need to swing a hammer, you don't need to clean, you don't need to run a broom across the ground, you don't even need to haul anything away. In fact, many sellers of their Hilliard house, they simply take anything they want out of the house, any personal belongings or what have you, and they leave anything else behind. They don't have to haul anything away. We keep it extremely easy for you. And as I mentioned, we are a cash buyer for Hilliard houses. So that means we're not relying on an appraisal, we're not relying on an inspection, and we're not here to, drag this thing along. We can absolutely operate and make this happen with your timeline. This is extremely important and it's often overlooked. Your timeline is the most important thing. Some people need to sell their Hilliard house fast. And if that's the case, great. We could close extremely quickly if that's what you need, since we're a true cash buyer and not relying on the bank or an approval. Or some sellers of their Hilliard house need more flexibility. Maybe they need to find a new place or need help moving, or they're doing something else in their personal life where they need more of a flexible type of situation. We absolutely can accommodate that as well. So what it looks like to work with us, first you'll pick up the phone, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And the conversation is very transparent, it's very easy. We're simply gonna learn more about the house, the situation, and any timeline that you have to work with. And we're gonna make you a cash offer on your Hilliard house right there on the spot. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward, and working with us is like a dream come true. It's extremely transparent. You're going to know exactly where we're at in the process. There's no guessing games. You're always going to be up to speed on what's happening with the sale of your home. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands and part as friends. You have absolutely nothing to lose, no obligations, no pressure, no sales gimmicks, nothing like that. If our offer does not work for you, we'll simply part as friends, and at least now you know what your options are. So if you have a house in Hilliard, Ohio that you want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, we would love the opportunity to help you, to talk to you, and at least see if we're a good fit for each other. Our number again is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We've been around for over 14 years, tons of references, testimonials, and great reviews, and we look forward to working with you as well. That number one more time is 614-300-5151, and the website sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave, and I look forward to working with you.